Ibrahim, NTA News.
A group known as Saniarewa HAUSA musical artists has staged a musical concert in honor of President-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu as its campaign strategy. Tension has the report.
The Arewa HAUSA Musical Association is a musical group which cut across 19 states, comprising states in the north, and has members nationwide. The organizer said the interest of the country belongs to all, hence the need for them to add their quota by calling on all Nigerians to support the All Progressive Congress as well as the president-elect and the candidate under the platform of the APC.
We are hosting us here. We are singing for people. God Almighty Allah give him strength and give him success.
They also prayed for a successful governorship election and advised voters to conduct themselves peacefully. In Jos, Dunchu, NTA News.
Sports is next.
Will be open.